In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand Notion's second brain, 5 minutes. We're going to build a simple second brain in Notion using the Pierre method so you can capture ideas, organize work, and find what you need fast. Start by opening Notion and signing in so you're on your home workspace. The backbone here is Pierre, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Projects are short-term efforts with a clear finish line. Areas are the ongoing parts of your life you're committed to maintaining. Resources are your library of notes, references, and media. Archives hold anything that's finished or no longer active, so your system stays clean without losing history. Create a new page and name it Para. This will be the home for your entire setup. Instead of making simple pages inside, use databases. Databases let you add properties, link items together, and build filtered views and dashboards, which is where Notion really shines. First, make a projects database. Add a status property with options like to do, in progress, and done. Add a deadline as a date property, then create a relation that connects projects to the areas database you'll make next. This keeps each project tied to the part of life it supports, like work, home, or personal. Next, create an areas database. Think of these as your buckets: business, personal, health, home, whatever you actively maintain. Don't overthink it. You can refine names later. Now build a resources database as your library. Add tags for topics and use the Notion web clipper to send articles, PDFs, and links directly here. You can also relate resources to specific projects, so relevant notes are always one click away. For archives, you can either create a separate database or, more simply, use a filtered view in each database that shows items with status set to archived or done. That way, nothing is lost, but your main views stay focused. Link your projects to areas using the relation property you created. Every project should support an area of your life. If it doesn't, it may not deserve your attention right now. Also link resources to projects, so meeting notes, research, and references follow the work automatically. Finally, build a master dashboard as your central landing page. Add a linked view of projects filtered to in progress, ideally in a gallery or board view. Add a daily tasks list view that shows tasks tied to your active projects and due soon, and create a simple inbox table where you can brain dump ideas or links before sorting them into the right para category later. That's your Notion second brain, clear, connected, and easy to maintain.